The sacred sound of Om, which many people hear in meditation and some people hear just in their daily lives, is the sound of creation of the universe, primordial vibration out of which creates everything. So everything in this world is vibration. Matter just vibrates at a low rate, liquids at a higher rate, gases at a higher rate. Higher dimensions have higher vibrations, but everything is a vibration ultimately. Solids are not really solids. They're mostly space. I had an experience in meditation which showed this to me recently. I was meditating and I sensed the unmanifest, the stillness, the space, the void, beneath all creation, underlying it. And then I sensed and saw, with my eyes closed, everything within my inner vision as a vibration. I saw it like a mass of atoms shaking everything. And I stayed in that state for a while. It arose spontaneously. It wasn't something I tried to see. But it confirmed to me what I had already believed, which is that, yes, everything is simply a vibration out of the mind of God, the supreme intelligence, and your true self. So that was a revealing experience of the vibratory nature of all creation. The experience of the void was another amazing experience in itself. It came out of an experience when I was using the witness state in meditation to see myself. And then another spontaneous shift in perception, and I saw everything in the world is normal. I was just in my room meditating, so I saw everything in my room just the way I do. But underlying that, beneath that, I sensed the stillness and void that permeates everything. 99.9% of everything is just space. And I saw that and felt that. And it is absolute stillness, absolute peace. You can't imagine it, because if you were to imagine that state of peace, whatever you're imagining is a vibration, and there are no vibrations in the void. In my personal perception, the void, which the Buddha in Buddhist scriptures, they call it emptiness. Eckhart Tolle said he would call it spaciousness, which is what I would call it as well, because it didn't feel empty. It felt beyond everything we know and understand and sense in the universe. It is spaciousness, it is stillness, it is peace. But when I was looking at it and feeling it, it didn't feel empty, like there was nothing at all there. It just felt like whatever was there underlying it was beyond my perception, beyond any of my senses. All you need to experience this is to meditate deeply, still your mind, and the truth will present itself.